I got paid on Impact by promoting this brand. In today's video, I'm going to show you how this brand paid me $5 by promoting them on impact.com. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can sign up on impact.com, get approval fast, because lately so many persons have been telling me that Impact have not been accepting them. They have been declaring their application, but I can see here on my screen, this is one of my students. He got approved by impact.com. This is also one of my students that got approved by impact.com. So stay with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for impact.com the right way so they can approve your account. As you can see on my screen, today is 19th of November 2025. As you can see, this is the click, 4 clicks, 10 action, and action earning $5. As you can see on sales amount, I did not make anything on sales amount because the brand I was promoting, they paid per sign up. They paid me per sign up. So look at here, this is impact.com. So what am I going to do? I'm going to show you how I promote this brand today and got paid today by impact.com. So let me just go straight to my brand. Let me go straight to my brand. All right, as you can see right here on my screen, these are the brands that approved my application. So I'm going to pick one brand here and promote it. I'm going to pick one brand here and promote it to show you exactly how I got paid on impact.com. Let me use this brand as an example. So I'm going to use this brand to show you how I promote and got paid on impact. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact brand I'm promoting that is paying me. Let's assume that this brand is paying per account created $5. Let me assume that they are paying per $5. So what am I going to do is to click to copy their link. I will copy the link of this brand and I'll move straight to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how I give ChatGPT prompts to give me posts in order to promote this brand. On the site, I'm going to show you where you can promote it and get people click on it and sign up so that you yourself can get paid. I'm here on my ChatGPT. So look at the prompts I gave to ChatGPT. If I provide an affiliate link, can you give me posts in order to promote the brand? Let's see what ChatGPT will tell us. ChatGPT said, absolutely yes, I can. Once you share the affiliate link, I create a short promotional post. So what you say here, just drop the link and tell me the platforms you want to post for. I'm going to paste the link and ChatGPT is going to provide the blog post for us. Okay, as you can see here, unlock the power of early education with Code Spark Academy. In today's fast-paced digital world, one thing is clear: children benefit immensely from engaging in structured learning experiences from an early age. Okay, I can see ChatGPT have provided a post for us to promote this brand. I'm going to copy all these things that ChatGPT have provided for us here. I'm going to show you the site you're going to promote it so that you get the right people click on your links fast. So the first site you're going to be promoting is Medium. So I'm going to sign in direct to Medium. Medium is one of the platforms where you can promote by educating people, writing valuable content, and adding your affiliate link to it. This link now will direct them to the brand, and once they perform the task by creating the account, you are getting paid. Once they click on the link, you get paid. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to click on write. I'm going to click on write. Okay, tell your story. Then I will go to ChatGPT and I will copy everything ChatGPT have given us. Let me start by the introduction. I will copy everything ChatGPT have given us. Copy. Then I will go to Medium and I will paste it there. I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the title. Then go back to Medium and paste it. That's the title. So because of time, I don't want this video to be too long. Just get your affiliate link, go to Impact, copy your link. Then you can come to Medium and paste your link around the post. Then you publish it. As you can see, it has been published on Medium. Like I promised to show us how to get approval on impact.com at the end of this video. For those of you that have been having difficulty on getting approval from impact.com, there is a link on my description. That's an ebook where I've written down everything you need to know about Impact, the brand to promote, how to sign up with Impact and get fast approval. So click on that link, it will take you to the ebook. Just get the ebook, go straight to it. From that ebook, you have access to me and I will show you exactly how to go about it. See you in my next video.